thugs? It's your boy Will, and we back with another video. Look, today we're gonna go ahead and try to tackle these shocks. I bought some brand new rear shocks for the Foxbody. I think we're gonna go with the name Charlotte Fox. Comment below, let me know if y'all think that's a cool name. If y'all rock with it, if you got cool name, think of something. Comment below, let me know the name that y'all came up with. Do that for your boy. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and change these. I was about to say brakes. I'm about to go ahead and change these rear shocks, and I'm about to get it cracking. I got some brand new stuff. Also got a sway bar end link for the front over here. So yeah, we're gonna get this popping, man. Stay tuned. I'm gonna take y'all through the process of me doing this, you know. Anyway, with this 2.3 Mustang LX, they actually got a different mounting place that the rear struts is on, and instead of it being a regular nut, there's a, I think this is a T55. This is a T55. T55 you have to use for it. Alright. And oh, and just in case y'all don't know, jack up the car, and after you jack up the car, put the jack stands underneath the car, and you'll be good to go. So let me go ahead and start taking this off. Coming off pretty neat. Get on this side so y'all can see what's going on. This side right here on this side was actually sagging, but you got to think these damn things probably are the original struts that have been on here since 1988. So probably a little bit past due. I'm not acting like I'm no expert or anything like that. I'm learning as I'm going, you know. So take what I say with a grain of salt. Try all this. Try all of this by, you know, if you feel comfortable enough. If not, pay somebody to do it. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Okay. Alright. Hold on. Get the hammer. It's in there a little bit. It's about to come out. I might have to take those bolts out of the trunk first. Let's see. Maybe it still needs to come out a little further. See, this part is. Oh yeah, still had to come out, so it's coming longer than I thought. Oh no, yeah, it should be out. Here go the nut in the back. Matter of fact, let me get the hammer. Get the Thor hammer out. You know what it is. It's your boy Illness, and we out here. Alright. I would suggest you put a jack underneath of the rear end when you're taking that off. Like I said, I don't claim to be no professional, but hey, you gotta learn sometime. So put a jack up underneath of that thing. I mean, if you're a scaredy ass. This shock is old. it's literally 31 years old, so I highly doubt that I highly doubted that it was going to actually like shoot hard or like compress back or whatever, but it didn't, and we're good. So with that being said, let's continue doing what we doing. Man, we gotta go to the trunk and take out the bolts up top. Hold on. Matter of fact, let's take a little break, y'all. Comment below, let me know if we should go with the name Scarlet Fox. That's what I'm thinking. But I heard them out here, so I just want to show y'all my neighbors next to my garage. Check this kid out. He was getting it. I guess they do like extreme pogoing. Here you go, look, check them out though. Oh, he wasn't a beast like the other one. Hey, the other dude was nice with him, tell you. Look, check him out. That's tight. Let's see what he got. Ooh, hell nah. Yeah, they got that. I'm a little scared of that. That's pretty cool though. I don't know if I could do flips with a pogo. I got one at the crib. Comment below, let me know if y'all want to see me pogo. Get my black ass on the pogo stick. Anyway, back to the Fox. We're gonna have to go through the trunk. Alright. So, we're gonna have to take out some of this stuff. I should have maybe had this done before. Let's see. Put that right there. Should have probably had this stuff out before. Like I said, I'm learning as I go. You hear me? I know this ain't the right tool to use to take off trimming or whatever, but it's gonna work. If it works, it works. You feel me? Now sometimes that's all that matters. Alright, so finally got this nut on loose. There you go. And that was a bitch. I had to use a crescent wrench and a size 15. I'm gonna put this. You know what? I'm gonna put it over here with all the fastenings and everything else. Always put all your stuff in one place, man. Tell me. So let's see what we got. As you have it, they got a rear strut. So while I was doing this, I actually took a look at the new struts and realized they gave me the wrong shit, y'all. So, fucking AutoZone. I'm gonna have to run out to the AutoZone and hopefully they got some struts that fit. Cause if you see, hold on. Alright. The ends on these are different. See, I have a screw on this one. This has that little loop. So I have to take this back to AutoZone and hopefully they got something that'll fit on the Foxbody. So as soon as I get back, we'll get these back on and get this show on the road. I just hit myself with a door. But anyway, back again like we never left. But we got the new struts. I keep saying struts. The new shocks for the rear of the Mustang. Like I said, one side was sagging, so I put these on. Hopefully everything should work. Hopefully AutoZone got me right this time, man. Hopefully. Let's get it. AutoZone been fucking up, man. So I'm about to open this up real quick and see. Make sure these are the right shits. You feel me? It's hard to do this with one hand. Put y'all there. While I do this. There you go. Make sure this is the right one. Cause AutoZone, y'all been fucking up. Oh yeah, this is right. Alright, you see how that is? See, the other one had 2 loops. It had this on both sides, where I need 1 loop and that. Alright, good shit. So we got the right shit. I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get back to the shop. And there we have it. One side on. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other side on. Thing looking sexy under there. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get the other side done. Yo, I couldn't wait to do the other side. I have to see what this side look like, and I want y'all to see it with me. So let's lower it down and let's see what it look like. Yeah. Give me 1 second. Oh yeah, it looks way better already. Yeah. Before this gap was way lower. Alright, it's looking a little better. It looks even from the back. I think it did. We're gonna do the other side. See what we're working with.